Understanding Karnataka Civil Services Compassionate Appointment Rules 1993 In-depth explanation of family definition and eligibility criteria for spouse, children, and siblings. Learn how the rules support families of deceased individuals in communal clashes by clarifying who qualifies for compassionate appointments. Detailed analysis of Rule 2(1)(c), including real-life examples and exclusions. Essential information for government employees and the public on compassionate grounds appointments. Don't miss this comprehensive guide. Subscribe for more informative content on government rules and regulations. This is our 5th video about the definition of definitions of family. The definition includes Karnataka Civil Services, appointment of family members of persons deceased in communal clashes on compassionate grounds, Rules, 1993. Rule 2(1)(c), definition of family. Family means members of the family wholly dependent on the earnings of the person deceased in communal clashes and whose family has no other income other than that earned by the deceased. The family includes spouse, the wife or husband of the deceased. Exclusions does not include the spouse if they were separated by a decree or order of a competent court or in accordance with their personal laws. Children, legitimate son or daughter, or stepson or stepdaughter, wholly dependent on the deceased. Exclusions does not include a child or stepchild who is no longer dependent on the deceased or whose custody has been deprived by or under any law. Siblings, brother or sister of the deceased if the deceased was unmarried. Example scenario. Scenario: Ramesh, who was the sole breadwinner of his family, died in a communal clash. He had a wife, 2 children, 1 son and 1 daughter, and a younger unmarried sister, all of whom were wholly dependent on his income. Application: Spouse, Ramesh's wife is included in the definition of family as she was not separated from him by any court order or personal law. Children, both of Ramesh's children, a son and a daughter, are included in the definition of family as they were wholly dependent on him. Sibling, Ramesh's younger unmarried sister, is included in the definition of family as she was also dependent on him and Ramesh was unmarried. Exclusions: If Ramesh's wife had been separated from him by a court order, she would not be included in the definition of family. If one of Ramesh's children was no longer dependent on him or if custody had been legally transferred to someone else, that child would not be included in the definition of family. This comprehensive definition ensures that only those family members who were genuinely dependent on the deceased are eligible for compassionate appointment, thereby providing necessary support to those who have lost their primary source of income due to communal clashes.